Hello there, it's Carl here from CleanMyMattress.ie, Commercial Cleaning Solutions. We are on site in the Dean Hotel on Harcourt Street today. We have been basically running through all of the headboards along with some of the mattresses, cleaning them in situ, low moisture cleaning systems. So basically the mattresses are good to go and ready for use in about 20-30 minutes, as are the headboards. So the usual sort of things that you would expect in mattresses in hotels, people maybe getting room service and that, and eating in beds and stuff, a little bit of food residue, teas and coffees and whatnot. So we're in Dublin city centre pretty much, and that means we've to unload equipment and come in and do low moisture cleaning, which we're very well equipped to do. So with our system, as I say, we're going to be dry and ready to use, especially in a hotel scenario where people are checking out at 11-12 o'clock and the rooms need to be basically ready and turned around for 3 o'clock. It's fairly important that they're not wet and that they are able to put the rooms back into use, because in a hotel, especially in July, time is money. So as I say, with our cleaning systems, low moisture, also completely eco-friendly, and that's very pertinent, because if there are detergent residues left anywhere in the bed, they could irritate skin, especially people that need to use non-bio washing powders and stuff like that, detergents, and especially detergents that will be used in commercial cleaning or even residential cleaning with carpet and upholstery cleaners. Tend to be high pH, high alkaline, so that they break down dirt quite quickly. We adopt a completely eco-friendly approach. We use plant-derived colloids or micro splitters. The former is essentially it's a colloid that vibrates on a molecular level and breaks down after 6 hours. It's completely inert. And a micro splitter is a food-grade phosphate or salt, breaks the bond from the dirt to the fibre. It's interesting chemistry at how it works. It's also a little bit of sodium percarbonate. It's like a low dilution of hydrogen peroxide, just to break down any odours, kill any bacteria and mites and stuff like that are living in obviously their beds. So we have bed bugs and stuff like that we need to eradicate on occasion. More not bed bugs as such, more dust mites. Dust mites are ubiquitous in the Irish household because of our climate. You get a lot of people reacting to dust mites with asthmas and stuff like that. Again, another key point for a hotel like this, we don't want to be giving anyone asthma attacks with dust mites and the dander that they create, the dead skin cells and whatever else they produce. So that's it, Carl here from Commercial Cleaning Solutions, CleanMyMattress.ie. Just doing a quick video on mattress cleaning and headboard cleaning in a commercial environment. Thanks for watching the vid.